At Massey Ferguson, we have always built tractors, and our aim has always been to adapt and develop our range to meet the changing needs of farmers throughout the world. In 1986, two clear needs were defined, and Massey Ferguson's strategy was developed to fulfill these. The MF 3000 series was introduced, a revolutionary range of high-specification tractors designed for the customer who needs maximum output from driver, tractor and implement in a high-tech farming environment. We also launched the MF 300 series, which carried on the evolutionary process of the Massey Ferguson family. A range of tractors for the farmer who needs a general-purpose, versatile workhorse, and one that is great value for money. The 300 series retained the renowned features you would expect from Massey Ferguson, like Perkins high-torque engines, a choice of gearboxes with logical gear change, Ferguson system hydraulics, outboard epicyclic reduction units, 2-speed power takeoff, an externally mounted auxiliary pump, and higher hydraulic flow from both the Ferguson and the auxiliary pump. New to the range were improvements to both two-wheel and four-wheel drive front axles, and a restyled appearance with a new cab and ergonomic controls. Since its launch, the MF 300 series has undergone a program of continuous evolution in response to customer demands for improved operator comfort and versatility. In 1989, the appearance of the range was further enhanced with the new silver cabs. We introduced the Highline with a flat floor, a new fresh air system, and an air conditioning option. In 1991, a large number of new features were introduced. Central to these was the single-lever side gear shift. Ergonomically positioned by the operator's right hand, this gear shift system makes progress through the gears smoother than ever. And when this is used in conjunction with the 12-speed shuttle, the advantages to the operator are plain to see. Once again, the location of the shuttle control, to the left of the steering wheel, is highly accessible. High, medium and low ranges are selected with a simple forward or backward movement. A light on the instrument console confirms the range selected. From this point on, first, second, third and fourth gears can be selected in the traditional Massey Ferguson logical sequence. In addition, where faster transport applications are required, this transmission can be specified with 40 kilometers per hour. The careful positioning of this single lever doesn't hinder the operator's use of other controls in any way and leaves a completely clear cab floor. So, with the new shuttle lever, the operator has a fully synchronized, sequential 12-speed shuttle transmission at his disposal. In addition, a creeper version is available on both two- and four-wheel drive tractors, operated by a lever conveniently placed and protected against accidental engagement. But that's just part of the 12-12 transmission. The four-wheel drive engagement mechanism allows engagement and disengagement on the move. On the 12-speed shuttle, control is even easier, with a hydroelectrically powered mechanism operated via this console-mounted rocker switch. Another advantage of this electro-hydraulic system is that the four-wheel drive is engaged the very moment the brakes are applied. More than that, if a loss of pressure occurs, the fail-safe pressure-off design still automatically engages the four-wheel drive. In turn, this maintains four-wheel braking, both in motion and when parked, for reassuring stability and safety. Operation of the handbrake also engages the four-wheel drive to ensure full braking effect through the handbrake system. You'll also notice on four-wheel drive models that by pressing this console-mounted rocker switch, both front and rear differential locks are activated simultaneously. What's more, to warn that the diff locks are engaged, the switch, as well as a warning light, are illuminated. On 12-speed shuttle models, the in-cab shiftable power takeoff system is standard. On others, it's an option. This shiftable system is available with either 540 economy or 540-1000 speed versions. Conveniently placed to the left of the operator's seat, these power takeoff controls provide speed selection, engagement and disengagement with a neutral position. In neutral, the PTO shaft can be turned freely by hand for easy implement attachment. In 1993, the evolution of the MF300 series continued with the introduction of a further range of features to improve operator comfort and the performance of the tractor. These included a super light clutch pedal actuation, an improved foot throttle, an easy read instrument panel, a centralized warning light cluster, a fingertip stalk for the main beam flashers, indicators and horn, a right-hand control console, a super safe four-wheel drive parking lock, a roof-mounted switch panel, a convenient push-switch interior light, a relocated air control panel, a new high-quality radio and speakers, a roof-mounted folding beacon, and a rear wash wipe. To improve maneuverability, we introduced AG axles, providing 55 degrees angle turning and balanced steering for equal number of turns left to right. For 1994, we have continued the evolutionary development of the MF300 series. This includes offering a whole new range of options on footstep models. The main innovation is the option to have the 12-12 transmission. All the benefits of this advanced system can now be supplied on the footstep version. 12-speed shuttle for greater flexibility when maneuvering. High, medium and low ranges are selected with a simple forward or backward movement, and a light on the instrument console confirms the range selected. First, second, third and fourth gears can be selected in the traditional Massey Ferguson logical sequence, with the option of 40 kilometers per hour where faster transport applications are required. There's the creeper facility on both 2- and 4-wheel drive, and a 4-wheel drive clutch which allows engagement and disengagement on the move. There's electro-hydraulic engagement, automatic 4-wheel drive braking, switch-operated diff locks, a super light self-adjusting clutch, the benefit of shiftable power takeoff with the choice of 540 economy or 540-1000 speed version with smooth and gradual engagement. And the hydraulic console, which has been redesigned to improve both ergonomics and the tractor's appearance. All these new features significantly enhance the MF300 series range of footstep tractors. But as farming becomes more complex, tractors must be able to cope with a growing number of applications. So the operator needs a wider selection of gears and speeds, and also needs the ability to change to a lower or higher gear on the move. This is vitally important in maintaining drive and output in difficult or varying conditions. To meet this demand, Massey Ferguson has developed a new 18.6 speed-shift synchromesh transmission. Again, this is available on both cab and footstep models. The new gearbox offers 18 forward speeds, 8 of which are in the crucial field working range between 3 and 11 kilometers per hour, with additional slower speeds for specialist applications and high road speeds for fast economical transport. The 18 speed shift offers 2-speed change in each of the 9 forward gears. The 9 fully synchromesh forward gears are selected using the unique MF300 series single lever side shift control that we've seen on the 12-speed. Again, high, medium and low ranges are selected with a simple forward or backward movement. A light on the instrument console confirms the range selected. From this point, first, second, third, and reverse gears can be selected in the traditional Massey Ferguson logical sequence. Reverse is fully synchronized and operated either between reverse and first, or alternatively, when faster cycle times are required, between reverse and second. Speed shift is operated by the touch of a button to give a smooth change, ensuring maximum operator comfort and changing so fast that drive to the wheels is virtually uninterrupted, maintaining engine speed and traction. There are two speed shift buttons, one mounted on the gear lever, which is ideal for transport applications, and the one on the right-hand side of the hydraulic quadrant for use in conjunction with the linkage controls. Both buttons can be operated independently. Speed shift indicator lights are mounted on the instrument console for when the operator is looking forward, and adjacent to the quadrant for fieldwork such as ploughing, baling and foraging. And the speed shift offers the flexibility to cope with these changing crop or ground conditions. Downward speed shift reduces speed by 17%, and upward changes increase speed by 20%. The design is simple, provides full engine braking in all ranges, and a hydraulic accumulator ensures a reserve of oil pressure is always available for speed shift, regardless of the demands for other services. So in summary, the 18 speed shift offers 18 forward gears with good overlap, a logical and progressive gear sequence, 8 gears in field working range, fully synchronized gears including reverse, the option of 30 or 40 kilometers per hour, conveniently placed push-button selection with easily visible operation lights, jerk-free clutchless gear changes with full engine braking in all gears, and a reserve of oil pressure regardless of other system demands. The 18 speed shift is therefore a highly versatile transmission of a type that you normally only find on high specification models. In conjunction with the MF300 series high-torque engine, it provides maximum output and greater fuel economy for both cab and footstep tractors. Massey Ferguson, geared for efficiency, geared for success.